Before buying a garment steamer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Not all steamers are created equal, and some can even leave you frustrated with their performance.
Product number 1, HiLife Portable Handheld Steamer. Let's kick things off with the HiLife Portable Handheld Steamer. Priced at $27.99, this little blue gadget caught my eye with its sleek design and an impressive 240 milliliter water tank. If you want a solid, reliable steamer for daily use, this is worth a serious look. This 700W steamer generates long-lasting steam and has a nice 9-foot power cord, so you can easily maneuver it without feeling tethered. The large tank provides up to 15 minutes of continuous steaming, which is perfect for quick touch-ups before heading out. Plus, it works on all sorts of fabrics, from silk to cotton, so you don't have to worry about ruining your favorite shirt. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're constantly on the go and need something that can pack a punch without taking up too much space, this steamer is a great choice. Just make sure you only use it in 110 to 120 volt outlets, as plugging it into the wrong voltage can damage it. Now, some people complain that the steam could take a bit to heat up. Here's the thing though, once it's ready, it's powerful enough to tackle even the most stubborn wrinkles. So, if you can spare a few seconds, the results are worth it. This is perfect for you if you travel often and need something compact yet powerful. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty option for larger garments, but at this price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you found the HiLife's heating time a bit long, the next one on my list takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Jack & Rose Travel Steamer. Priced at $60.99. This one stands out for its dual functionality as both a steamer and an iron, which genuinely surprised me. If you want versatility in your travel steamer, this is a solid option. The Jack & Rose features a unique 100 to 220 V capability, meaning you can use it anywhere in the world without worrying about voltage differences. It heats up in just 15 seconds, and the steam can reach up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. This is especially handy when you need to get ready quickly. The 10 square inch ceramic heating panel makes it easy to smooth out creases on various fabrics, protecting your clothing from damage. Here's why this matters for you. If you're traveling internationally or simply want a reliable steamer that can also function like an iron, it's a great choice. The 7.2-foot cord and included travel pouch make it simple to pack up and go. However, some customers mention that it's a bit heavier than expected for a travel steamer. I'll be real with you, if you prioritize lightweight gear, this might feel like a trade-off, but the extra functionality can be worth the slight added weight. This steamer is perfect for you if you frequently travel abroad and need a reliable all-in-one tool. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight, but the features justify the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for quick touch-ups.
Product number 3, OG Home Portable Travel Steamer. Let's talk about the OG Home Portable Travel Steamer, which is priced at just $26.99. I was drawn to its compact size and powerful 1,000 watt capability. If you want something that packs a punch without breaking the bank, this is one to consider. This steamer heats up in just 20 seconds, delivering strong steam that can tackle wrinkles in seconds. The lightweight design makes it easy to fit in any suitcase, and the detachable water tank is designed for effortless refilling, which is super convenient when you're on the go. It's also designed for various fabrics, from chiffon to denim, making it versatile for different clothing types. Here's why this matters for you. Nobody likes waiting around for a steamer to heat up, and the OG Home is quick to deliver. Plus, its space-saving design is a win for travelers who want to avoid bulky items. Now, some reviewers mention that it can leak a bit if not held upright. Here's the thing, if you're aware of how to use it properly, it's not a deal breaker. Just make sure to keep it vertical, and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable, quick solution for travel. Skip this one if you prefer a steamer that can be used at any angle, but honestly, it's great value for the price. Next up, if the OG Home's leaking concern caught your attention, the next steamer might just handle that issue better.
Product number 4, HiLife Handheld Steamer in Ocean Blue. Also priced at $26.99, it shares many features with its blue counterpart, but offers a stylish twist. If you need something reliable and chic, this is worth checking out. This steamer has a similar 700 watt power and 240 milliliters capacity, giving you about 15 minutes of continuous steaming.
The long power cord allows for flexible use, and it generates strong steam effective on a wide range of fabrics. It's compact enough for travel, but sturdy enough for home use. Here's why this matters for you. If you're looking for something that's both functional and visually appealing, the ocean blue might just do the trick. It can handle quick touch-ups or deeper steaming when needed. However, one user pointed out that it can take a moment to fully heat up. I'll be honest, that can be a bit frustrating if you're in a rush, but for the price, it does deliver solid results once it's warmed up. This steamer is perfect for you if you appreciate aesthetics along with performance. Skip this one if you need an instant heat option, but at this price, it's a solid buy. Finally, if you love the features of the High Life but want something a little different, the last product on our list might be just what you're looking for.
Product number 5, High Life Handheld Steamer in Black. We have the High Life Handheld Steamer in Black, priced at $32.99. It's a stylish alternative that combines functionality with a sleek design. If you're after a reliable steamer that looks good, you might want to keep this one on your radar. Just like the other High Life models, this one offers 700 watts power and a 240 milliliter tank for up to 15 minutes of steaming. It's portable and lightweight, making it easy to bring along wherever you go. The strong penetrating steam works on a variety of fabrics, ensuring you can tackle any wrinkle. Here's why this matters for you. If you want a steamer that looks as good as it performs, this black model delivers both. It's perfect for quick touch-ups or packing for trips. However, some users have mentioned that the attachments can be tricky to fit. Here's the thing. If you're not in a hurry and can take a moment to attach them correctly, you'll find it works just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet functional steamer. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a simpler design, but overall it's a great value with solid performance.
So there you have it, 5 amazing portable steamers to consider. The High Life models offer great value and performance, while the Jack & Rose gives you versatility for travel. The Oak Home provides affordability, and if you're after something stylish, the Black High Life is a fantastic choice. Each has its pros and cons, so think about your specific needs before making a decision.